Storing your lithium golf cart batteries is very similar to lead acid batteries. Only lithium batteries do not contain water, so regular monitoring of water levels not required. Lithium batteries deal with cold temperatures better than other battery types. Ideally, keep your battery in a location where temperatures are between above freezing to 28 degrees Celsius. Long-term exposure to freezing temperatures will reduce the battery's capacity. Basically means it will charge slower, reduce run times, and the battery will die quicker. One of the advantages of lithium golf carts, unlike lead acid models, is they drain batteries much slower when not in use. A fully charged battery could maintain its charge for up to 6 months when fully charged. So remember to fully charge your vehicle and unplug once fully charged. We recommend cleaning the battery by wiping it down with a lightly dampened cloth. Unlike lead acid batteries, lithium batteries are easy to clean and maintain. Finally, make sure the battery is completely dry. Any moisture left behind can freeze, damaging the battery. It's vital to check your vehicle's state of charge monthly. You can do so simply by turning on the vehicle. Charge level will be displayed on the dash. If this does start to drop down to half or below, then turn the vehicle off and simply recharge. Thank you for watching our winter storage guide for lithium vehicles.